In this video, we'll learn how to use a filter tool in MAPOG to display only the locations that match specific criteria. First, open your map and go to the Filter Tool section. When the filter pop-up opens, you'll find multiple filtering options. You can start by filtering locations based on their location name. Next, select the required location template and choose a specific attribute you want to filter by. Depending on the attribute type, you can select values, adjust ranges, or choose multiple options according to your requirements. After configuring your filters, click Apply. The map will instantly display only the locations that match your selected conditions, making it easier to focus on relevant data. If you want to return to the original view, simply click Reset Filter, and all locations will be displayed again. The filter tool is especially helpful when working with large datasets and when you need to quickly find specific locations without manually searching through the entire map. In the next video, we'll learn how to sort location by distance.